Hello everybody and welcome to VintageTech1. This is being shot off my phone, so therefore it's a little bit grainy or seem a little outdated. I have the light shining because it's a little dark. Not too much, just dark in the room. Now this is a beautiful 1980s General Electric alarm clock. Now this is a model. Oh yeah, I forget the model's on the bottom. This right here is a model 7-4601A by General Electric. Sorry about the quality on this. I'll do a better one later on. Now, a friend of mine has a similar clock that's also a General Electric from the same time frame, and they're trying to figure out how to set up the button for the wake time. Well, it's not that hard. I use this usually as my daily clock. I used to have the other General Electric, the white one, the little small one. I don't think I've shown you that one in a video. We'll probably do that later on. I just plugged in the power source, and I'm going to put in the time, which is... Oh, I forgot. I can't see that. There we go. 5:13 p.m. So you hit the hour button up here. Set it to 5. Now, this is a.m., so 5 p.m. And if you go past it, that's all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get the minutes correct. It's 5:13. Oops, gotta go around the clock again. So these aren't actual buttons. The interesting thing inside is it has a little piece of metal that is like a pigeon switch, as I call it. It should be about 5:14. Yes, got it right. Now to set the time to wake up, you want to push the wake button, which is located up here. But you have to hold it down with 1 or 2 fingers, well, 1 finger, and then you have to hit the hour button for when you want to get up. So since I usually get up early in the morning, I'm going to put this for the afternoon so we can test it. So we're going to put it at 5. We're going to put it at 15. Now, in order to get the full effect, you have to hit it to the alarm setting or the music. The music is neat because you can set it to a radio station. So you can put any radio station you want. I usually put it on the classical one somewhere over here. Or did I switch the station dials in the back? By the way, this is FM and AM, and the switch for that is on the back side. So right here we have the AM and FM switch. I'm pretty sure my favorite station's on the FM switch. So let's see. We'll just put it on here for now. So if you want to wake up to a commercial about chicken picadas, you got the right spot. Now, I think it's already gone past our wake time. Let's check that. Push the wake time. So you push the wake time button down, and it's the right time. So let's put it 1 minute ahead. Switch the alarm all the way to the music, which will turn off the radio, and leave this the way it is. And there we go. Now I'm going to turn this up a little bit more than I should, probably, so we'll get the full blast of it. So cover your ears. I'm not sure how loud this thing can get really loud. Not cranking it up all the way though. There we go. Now we just have a minute to wait, and this is a neat little clock. So the easy way to set up your clock is hit wake, hold it down with 1 finger, then push. There you go. Just set itself on. Now let's put it to 17 for the wake time. And to shut off your wake alarm, you just hit the off button. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Setting it to alarm. Now this is going to make that classic sound that if you grew up in the 90s or 80s, or if you have your folks still have a clock like this, or you do, you're very familiar with this sound. Now there is a battery built into this, that, well, not built in, but a battery you can put in, a 9-volt battery into the back compartment. Now there's a little compartment back here. Most of them have the compartment on the bottom. So if you have an older one, be careful, because sometimes when you leave those batteries in, they corrode and they turn really nasty. You can still use the clock. I would just unplug the battery and clean it out the best you can. There we go. Now the same thing to shut off the alarm. Go to here. There's music. It will come on, but go to off. And then that's the easy way to set your alarm. We'll review it one more time. push the wake button to hold it down, and with your other hand or finger, push the hour button. So if you want it at 6 o'clock, then you got that. Lift your hand off the wake button. And as soon as you lift your hand off, it should show the current time. If for some reason you didn't push it down enough and it shows 6 o'clock and you're still looking at this and it shows a different time when you lift it up, well, maybe you accidentally messed up the time. It's alright, you can easily reset it. But the wake button, push it down, select the hour you want. You can even hold down the hour button at the same time. It'll go here. So I'm going to set my alarm for probably 10 a.m. Sounds good. 10:17 a.m. Now your clock is ready to go. Select the alarm up, and wonderful, you'll be up exactly at 10 a.m. Unless you really want that morning jog or you want to sleep in. Maybe you want to sleep until 2. 2:17 sounds good to you? There you go. See, it's as easy as pushing a button and pushing another. Well, until next time, everyone. Have a wonderful time. I better put the backing back on my clock over here. Otherwise, I'll forget it. But yeah, all the information on most of your alarm clocks will be located on the back side. And if not, it will be located on the undercarriage, which is right down here. So underneath, this says it takes 4 watts of input. So that's not a lot of power. Tells you it's a wood grain finish of polyurethane made in Malaysia. For better, let's see, service. Refer inquiries to say authorized General Electric Service Facility. Or write to General Electric Company Manager. Consumer Relations, P.O. Box 1978, Indianapolis. That might be a hint to where, what year this might have been made. And this has been quality control checked right here, which is really neat. And it is energy safe. The UL means it is listed as safe. Wonderful. That's it, everyone. Take care and have a wonderful day. Remember to keep it retro. This was just a little fast go through. I'll have a more detailed video later. But until next time.